Good morning, everyone. I'm Priyanka Bhargav. Let's begin with our first chapter of history when, where, and how. History is the study of past events. We study about our past events which happened hundreds of years ago or might be thousands of years ago through the help of uh, certain sources, certain resources like books, newspapers, or artifacts like pottery, tools, human or animal remains, or jewelry, or uh, coins, currency. Okay, all these things are which are related to our past will help us to study about our history. Now, how important are dates in history? Dates are not only important in our history, it is also very important in our present life. How come? If there will be no dates, we will not be able to remember any of the events of our life, like your birthday, like your parents' birthday, your friend's birthday, or might be the date of when you took your first bicycle. Okay, so all these to remember all these events, we require what? We require dates. Similarly, to know about the history, we require dates. Why? Because the history is recorded chronologically. Chronologically means एक सीरीज में इन अ पैटर्न ऑफ डेट. ठीक है. Then it helps to know that one event happened before another event so that one can examine the relation between the events. How come? Through by studying the history or with the help of dates, we can know that okay, this thing happened before it and this thing happened before, sorry, after it, and they had a certain relation. For example, right now we are watching Ramayan. अब एक we take a small event from that Ramayan. Okay, what was that event? That Ravan took away Sita ji to Lanka. This is one event. Now, after it, another event took place that Ramchandra ji went to Lanka and had a war with Ravan. Now, what is the relation between? Because Ravan took away Sita ji, wife of Ramchandra ji went over there and had a war with it. So, we are able to connect the past events, we are able to connect the events, and we are able to see the relationship between them because it is in a chronological, in a systematic order. Okay, and historians use dates in order to signify era. Signify era मतलब होता है पीरियड, टाइम पीरियड. तो वो डेट्स के हिसाब से इसलिए पढ़ते हैं सो दैट वो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड को जज कर पाए. ओके. Now the next is James Mill periodization of Indian history. James Mill was a Scottish philosopher, a historian who wrote a book, A History of British India. And in his book, he divided the Indian history or the British India when the Britishers were ruling over India. So he divided the history into three parts: Hindu, Muslim, and British period. He divided it on the basis of religion. So many Indian historians like H.C. Rai Chaudhary, R.C. Majumdar, R.G. Bhandarkar, and many other historians were there who raised the objections, who were against this division of history. Why? Because they said it is not only through the religion of the rulers of the time, that why you are dividing the history only on the basis of the religion of the ruler who ruled on a particular period. The religion, the belief of other people who are living in India are also equally important. Mill, James Mill gave a reason that the Hindu Indians were not civilized, were not very well off, and they were of lower level during the period of Hindu and Muslim rule compared to the British period. So the Indian historians gave him a reason that nobody was that Indians were more civilized during the rule of Mauryas, Guptas, Mughals than compared to the European monarchs. कि इंडियंस बहुत ज़्यादा सिविलाइज थे किसके रूल में? जब मौर्यस, गुप्तास और मुगल्स का रूल था, बट दे वर नॉट मोर सिविलाइज कंपेयर टू द यूरोपियन monarchs. Monarchs means rulers, and nobody was ready to agree such a notion. Notion means a division. So finally all the historians divided the Indian history into three parts: ancient period, medieval period, modern period. Okay, on the basis of on the ye ancient, medieval, modern periods are divided in the chronological order. Okay students, so that's all for today. Please go through the video properly, read the chapter properly, and if you have any problem, please do let me know. And your homework is to do the key terms of the chapter. Children, it's a request to see the video. Each and everyone has to go through the video, please. Okay, and if you find any problem, please do ask me. Thank you.